Hello class 8th student, it's a part 14 chapter 6 science exotic wildlife in India. Here we discuss about exotic wildlife in India. In the previous part, as we see, there are so many animals which are in the endangered category. So here they are given, just look them one by one. First is that the clouded leopard. It is from the vulnerable category. It was widely hunted for its teeth, skin, and claws, which were used in traditional Asian medicines. It is now a protected animal in national parks and wildlife sanctuary of Northeast. Means as its teeth, its teeth, skin and claws are used, so it is highly on the huntable. It is considered as a huntable animal, and it's hunted or poaching for its body parts. The second one is the Nilgiri tahr. It is in the threatened category. Though the endangered mountain goat, means it is a mountain goat, were plenty in number, means it's enough in number, but there has been a sharp decline in their population, but their populations are decreased. It is very high extent. Illegal hunting, timber felling and construction of hydroelectric project has led to their habitat destruction. Means by the illegal hunting or the construction of dams or the felling of trees, this species is going to be destructed or getting destructed. It is now protected in Ernakulam National Park and Periyar National Park in Kerala and Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu. Means because of it's going to be decreased, that's why they are preserved or they are categorized in the Ernakulam National Park and Periyar National Park in Kerala and Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu. Only 3,000 of them are left. Only 3,000 of them are left now. Next is the Asiatic loin. Asiatic loin, it is come from the threatened category. Poaching and habitat destruction, means by the cutting down of the trees, so their habitat destruction done, means their natural home has destructed, or the poaching means for getting their body parts for using, are the cause of their reduced numbers. At present, Gir National Park is the only home of these Asiatic loins. Means these Asiatic loins are found in the Gir National Park. Only around 200 Asiatic loins exist in the wild. Means only 200 loins. Only 200 Asiatic loins exist in the wild only. The next one, here is the diagram of the Asiatic loin. This one, and look, this is a Nilgiri tahr and this one is a clouded leopard. Look how they are beautiful, but they are going to be destructed. The next is that loin-tailed macaque. Loin-tailed macaque means its tail like the loins. It is come in the endangered category. It has a many of hair. Many of hair means cluster of hairs, the group or cluster of hairs, and a tail that make it look like a loin. Look at its. Look here. This is a structure of this loin-tailed macaque. These hairs give him the appearance of the loin. Deforestation not only lead to loss of habitat for these monkey but also cause scarcity of fruit trees on which they were feeding. Means only by the deforestation their natural home is destroyed. It's right, but the trees also by which they eat food, because they eat feeding on the fruit trees, and they also destructed by cutting down the trees. Only 4,000 lion-tailed macaques are living at present. They are protected in the Western Ghats, Silent Valley National Park, Northwestern Ghats in Karnataka. So these are the some exotic animals of India. Thank you class. We continue in the next video.